Winning the lottery is primarily a matter of luck, as it is a game of chance with extremely low odds. However, there are a few strategies and tips you can consider that might improve your overall experience. 1. Understand the odds. Different lottery games have different odds of winning. Research the games available to you and understand the odds associated with each. Games with smaller jackpots typically have better odds. 2. Play consistently. The more you play, the more opportunities you have to win. However, this doesn't change the odds for any individual draw, so play responsibly. You need to determine how much money you are willing to spend on lottery tickets and stick to that budget. Treat it as entertainment, not a guaranteed investment. 3. Join a lottery pool. Joining a lottery pool with friends, family, or coworkers allows you to buy more tickets without increasing your spending. If the pool wins, the prize is shared among all members. 4. Choose less popular games. Games with fewer players typically have better odds. Consider playing lesser-known or smaller jackpot games where there is less competition. 5. Use random numbers. Many people choose numbers based on dates, birthdays, anniversaries, which limits choices to 1 to 31. Choosing a wider range of numbers can help avoid splitting the prize if you win. 6. Avoid lottery scams. Be wary of any claims that guarantee you a win or require payment to claim a prize. Legitimate lotteries do not ask winners to pay fees up front or provide sensitive personal information. 7. Understand it's random. Remember that no strategy can significantly improve your odds of winning a lottery, as the numbers are drawn randomly. Don't fall for winning systems or other gimmicks. 8. Stay positive but realistic. Keep a positive attitude and enjoy the game, but be realistic about your chances. The lottery is fun to play, but the odds of hitting the jackpot are incredibly low. Ultimately, winning the lottery comes down to luck. While there are no guaranteed methods to win, these tips can help you play smarter and enjoy the experience responsibly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to get further interesting and useful content.